Hey, my name is Bill Ossenfort. I'm at Laverne High School here in Central Alabama. We were the first high school region to bring rocket drones in, and so we were excited today to have a rocket drone day. We brought in some of the rocket drone professionals as well as some local race professionals just to help us take that next step in our flying with our kids so that we can prepare and get ready to start racing our drones around. Oh, I'm super excited. We came in here with absolutely zero knowledge. I knew that drones existed, and some of my students had played with drones on their PlayStations and Xboxes, and that's about the extent of knowledge that we had here with drones. So Rocket Drones has come in. They've helped us to coordinate a good equipment package. They have a whole series of training videos that has been very helpful, from open up the box, how to set things up, to, oh, here's some good first steps in training. And once we have kind of gone through those steps and we're flying, then now Rocket Drones has even come out here to give us a day of support to help move us to the next step in advanced flying techniques and learning how to set up the targeting or the timing gates and such. So this has been a great experience. We love it. This is our first year, so everything is a little chaotic. We're learning as we go. But I'm very excited to see in the future, continuing this for the next few years to see where we can take the program and being competitive in racing.